Welcome back, guys. So, as a designer, I will urge you to learn more about designs. Once you start making money with your mobile phone, you need to get a laptop. And I have other courses on how to design. So, we have other courses on that which I will talk about. But right now, you need a laptop. Well, you could lower the barrier, like you will lower the laptop specifications. Why? Because now, if you are using Canva to design, you could use Canva on your system as well. So you could buy Celeron laptops actually. You could buy Celerons, you could buy Core i3. But if you really want to go into designs, you want to learn about other design tools like CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, you need at least a Core i3 laptop. So there's something called Core i3. So you need something like a Core i3 laptop for the least. So there's i5, there's i7. So you could go ahead to buy a Core i3 laptop depending on your budget. If you have budgets for a Core i3 laptop, so you could go on and on to get a laptop like that. So we have different specifications, and you could see there are a lot of laptops right here. So you could go on and on. But how do you get to know a specification that works for you? Yeah, you could get to know a specification that works for you. Once you open any of these laptops, you're going to be able to read the specification from the very beginning to the very end, what you could do with it. So when I open something like this, you would see that these are the specifications. You see this is a Core i5 laptop, as you could see right here. Is a Core i5 laptop and is an 8th generation laptop. So you could go on and on to see the specifications. So you see the key features. So something about it is there are processors. So the processor is Core i5, which I say the least you could use is Core i3, and this GHZ, which is gig as. So you have to be careful about that as well. You have to buy anyone above 2.0. So you have to buy something above 2.0. Your storage could be as much as 256 or 500 gigabytes, which is this. Then your RAM should be at least 8 gigabytes. So when you're buying a laptop, buy an 8 gigabyte RAM, buy a 500 gigabytes hard drive, which is storage. Then you get at least an 8th generation laptop. Then you get a Core i3 upward. Then this should be 2.0 upward. So this is 2.8, but it could go up to 4.7 gig hertz. So it's not necessarily it is a touch screen, it could be any form of laptop. And you could see backlight keyboard, you don't need any of those. The major specifications as been stated: the processor, the storage, the RAM, memory. Then those are the basic things you need. Then there's something called a graphic card, but you have to just step down on that. But you could see go on and on to buy a laptop according to your capacity. So you need a laptop to improve your skill. In the next lesson, I'll show you more skill you could then as a designer right now, as a mobile designer. So once you start making money, the first thing you should try to do is to get a laptop. Don't be too comfortable with a mobile phone. So get a laptop for yourself, and you could learn how to look for all these specifications on a laptop in case you want to buy a used laptop. So you can come to my YouTube channel. I have a video on how to know all the specifications. So you have to check the specifications of a laptop. So you could come to watch the video. You could come to my channel, which is beloved AdobeRGB. Once you type my name on Google, the way I've been typing it, you'll see my channel right there. So below Udemy catalog, course catalog, my instructors page, you could come on and on. And this is beloved AdobeRGB YouTube. So you could just click on this, then it will take you to my YouTube channel directly. Then here in my YouTube channel, I have a video on how to check for laptop laptop specifications. So you come right here, just go through my page, then you see something about laptop specifications. I review laptops as well. So you could see this is the video right here: 5 things you should know before you buy a UK used laptop. So you could easily check this video out, and in this video you'll be able to see how to check for laptop specifications whenever you want to buy a laptop. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.